stop scrolling. This free AI tool helped me make $1,000 in just 7 days with zero experience and zero tech skills. I did all of this on my lunch break. I'm going to show you the 3 exact steps, the exact prompt I used, and how to get your first paying client this week. Let's get into it. It's Sharon from Life by Sharon B, where I teach busy people how to make money online, work smarter, and build real income streams without burnout. Now let's break this down. The first step is choosing a niche that doesn't require a degree or portfolio. Affiliate marketing, not TikTok shop. We're doing AI-powered LinkedIn profile audits. People pay $50 to $100 for a polished LinkedIn profile, and AI does 90% of the work for you. The demand is huge because everyone wants remote jobs and better resumes. Here's the secret sauce, the prompt that does almost everything. Type this into ChatGPT. Act as a career coach specializing in remote work. I audit LinkedIn about sections for clarity, keywords, and professional tone. I'll provide specific improvements and rewrite the entire section optimized for remote recruiters. Copy someone's about section, paste it in, and boom, babe, AI gives you a clean, professional version instantly. This is what people pay $80 to $150 for. Here's how you get sales fast. Find 10 to 15 profiles on LinkedIn that look messy. I noticed a few ways to improve your profile. Here's a free audit. If you want a full rewrite, I charge $100. I sent 15 messages. 4 people said yes that week. That's $400. Then I got repeat clients and referrals callers. But remember, 1 hand, pick the LinkedIn audit niche. 2 hand, use the free AI prompt. 3 hand, use free micro audits to close clients fast. AI does the heavy lifting, writing scripts, editing ideas, creating digital products, and generating client work. If you want the exact message I send to clients, comment at PROMT. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my TikTok showcase linked below.